Welcome to Questioner Central. Test your brain with 15 fun functional quizzes. Ready? Let's begin. First up, which country is the largest gold producer in the world as of 2023? Is it China, South Africa, the USA, or Russia? It's China. They're number one in gold production, with Russia and Australia trailing behind. What's the tiniest unit of Bitcoin called? Nano, Satoshi, micro, or crypto? Can you guess this one? It's Satoshi, named after the Bitcoin mastermind. If you said nano, maybe stick to Monopoly money. Which U.S. coin features Thomas Jefferson? Penny, nickel, dime, or quarter? Do you find it easy? The nickel. Jefferson's hanging out on the front with his crib, Monticello on the back. Fancy, right? What's the street name for the $1 bill in the U.S.? George, Buck, Franklin, or Ace? I know you know this one, right? It's a buck. This nickname comes from the use of deer hides, or bucks, as currency back in the day. Next, which animal is featured on Australia's $1 coin? Kangaroo, koala, emu, or platypus? It's the kangaroo, obviously, because what's more Australian than a hopping national treasure? Think the easy round was a breeze? Stay and see if you can handle the moderate round. Ready? What year was the euro introduced as a currency? 1999, 2000, 2001, or 2002? Were you even born then? It's 1999. The euro started as digital money. I bet you're born back then. What's the highest denomination of US dollars ever printed? 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, or a mind-blowing 100,000? It's $100,000, but it was only used by the feds. No shopping sprees allowed, okay? Let's go global. Which African country uses the currency called the rand? Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, or Ghana? It's South Africa. The rand is their money, and no, it has nothing to do with Ayn Rand, okay? What's the name of Japan's currency? Yuan, yen, won, or ringgit? Don't go to Asia unprepared, okay? You need this in the money changer. It's yen. Yuan is in China, won is in Korea, and ringgit in Malaysia. Did you get this? What was the first coin currency used in ancient Rome called? Is it drachma, aureus, denarius, or solidus? This is tricky. It's the denarius. Perfect for gladiator tickets or, bread, right? How many did you get? See if you can still tackle the difficult round. Ready? Which country issued the first polymer banknote? Canada, Australia, the UK, or Singapore? Let's hear your best guess. Wait, you know what's a polymer? It's Australia. They ditched paper money in 1988 because who needs soggy banknotes in a beachy paradise? What's the most traded currency in the world? Euro, British pound, US dollar, or Japanese yen? I hope this question doesn't spark World War III. It's the US dollar, the global superstar of cash, loved by traders and Scrooge McDucks everywhere. Next up, what's the oldest form of currency still in use today? Pound sterling, dollar, yen, or franc? I wasn't born back then. It's pound sterling, around since 775 AD, and still worth more than Monopoly money. Impressive, huh? What exactly is a fiat currency? Backed by gold, oil, trust, or crypto? Try to guess this one, okay? It's backed by trust. Yep, your money's value is just one big trust fall with the government. Which billionaire famously gave away almost all his fortune? Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, Andrew Carnegie, or Elon Musk? It's Andrew Carnegie. Take notes, modern billionaires. I hope I have my share too. Here's some bonus. Who is the richest person as of 2024? Is it Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Bernard Arnault, or Bill Gates? Think you got the bonus question? Share your score and prove it in the comments. Do you want more fun, functional quizzes? Please like, comment, and subscribe to Questioner Central for more. Check out the channel and share with friends, even your frenemies if you want. Thanks for watching.